Top 3 Best Raised Garden Beds. Number 3. Jumbl Raised Cedar Garden Bed. Elevated outdoor planter offers beautiful, practical design for growing your favorite herbs, veggies, fruits, flowers and other vegetation above ground, a stunning accompaniment to any small space. 100% rot-resistant red cedar. Comfortable raised design. Super simple assembly and setup. Smart solution for limited space. Pros. Made of beautiful Canadian red cedar that's rot-resistant. The bed has drainage holes and comes with a liner to help retain soil moisture. Cons. It requires power tools to be assembled and it takes many screws. Bottom line. You can't go wrong with this spacious raised garden. It features our easy assembly and it's built to last. Number 2. Keter Urban Bloomer Raised Garden Bed. Dimensions: 32. 3 inches length x 14. 7 inches width x 30. 7 inches height. Water gauge. Easy to read water gauge indicates when plants need additional moisture. Drainage system that can be opened or closed for full control of watering. Water reservoir. Full watering system includes a reservoir to prevent root decay and overwatering. Easy assembly. Simple assembly with easy to follow instructions. Urban living. Perfect for use as an herb garden or balcony planter. Pros. Made with weather-resistant polypropylene resin. Assembly is quick with user-friendly instructions. Easy to read water gauge lets you know when it's time to water plants. Tall design that doesn't require much bending. Cons. Might not sit well or be stable on grass or soft dirt. Bottom line. Has an efficient watering and drainage system that prevents root decay and overwatering. Number 1. Greens Fence Original Cedar Elevated Garden Bed. Perfect for growing vegetables, herbs, and flowers and ideal for patios, porches, decks, and balconies. Beautify your outdoor living space with the convenience of gardening without bending over. Naturally rot and insect resistant North American cedar made in the USA. Untreated cedar safe for veggies. Rustic finish. Planter is 9 and 5/8 inches deep. Overall product dimensions: 50. 5 inches length by 27 inches width by 31 inches height. Inside garden bed size: 47 inches length by 23. 75 inches width by 9. 6 inches height. Pros. Made with untreated cedar that is safe for growing plants and vegetables. Equipped with rough, rustic finish that blends in well with a natural landscape. Versatile design with elegant minimalist detail. Cons. Some consumers felt instructions could be a bit clearer. Bottom line. Traditional design built to last. This raised garden bed is made from insect and rot-resistant North American cedar. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.